Hello, in today's video, I'd like to measure the weight of the ZQ220 Plus mobile printer from Zebra. As you know, mobile printers need to be compact and lightweight, so weight itself is a very important factor in one's decision on which mobile printer to choose. So today, we will take 3 measures of the weight of the ZQ320 Plus here, which is a 3-inch printer that can support anywhere from 2 inches to 3 inches prints. The ZQ320 Plus printer total weight, which means the printer itself and the battery installed, the total weight would be, I'm resetting the scale, so as you can see, the total weight of the ZQ220 Plus printer is 14.4 ounces. Let's see how much is that in grams. So the Zebra ZQ220 Plus is 405 grams. Total weight of printer plus battery. Now let us take it apart so we can measure the printer itself and the battery discretely and separately. Let's start with the printer. The printer itself, without the battery, as you can see, is 285 grams or, wow, exactly 10 ounces. So that's the printer without the battery, 10 ounces. Let's see how much the battery weighs. This is a rather large battery. Its capacity is 2500 milliamp hours and the weight is 4.2 ounce or equivalent to 115 grams. So the weight is 115 grams for the battery. So there you have it, guys. The printer weight in terms of the printer to total weight of the battery and the printer itself without the battery, or the weight of the battery itself. I hope this information is helpful for you. Thank you very much for your time.